You must have heard the story of a turtle and a rabbit. How a turtle wins the race because of its consistent efforts. Harmony OneCoin is one such turtle in the race among blockchains. Welcome to CryptoTubes. I'm host Paras, and in today's video I will take you through an in-depth review of Harmony OneCoin, its benefits and drawbacks, and price prediction, and much more. Before I start the video, if you are a reader and wish to read about this coin and any other cryptocurrency project, feel free to check out the description box below, and also you can visit my website, which is katoshTubes.com, and check and read every article that interests you. Having said that, let's jump right in and explore Harmony OneCoin. Before I take you through the list of topics, I have a question for you. Can you tell me the difference between ERC20 tokens and BEP20 tokens? Comment below and let me know the difference. Now let's start with the topics of this video. I will start with what is Harmony. Next, I will talk about what is Harmony OneCoin. Then I will take you through how does Harmony work, and then a little bit into staking Harmony OneCoins. Afterwards, I will talk about Harmony IEO, and then I will take you through the benefits and drawbacks of Harmony One tokens, and finally I will end the video with Harmony One coin price prediction. I will start with what is Harmony. Harmony is a secured decentralized blockchain which was created to address two specific core problems of a blockchain, and that is scalability and decentralization without compromising your security and privacy. Harmony One was founded by Stephen Xie in the year 2018, who also happens to be the core team member of Google Maps. After leaving Google, he created a new company and sold it to Apple, and then worked in Apple for quite some time before jumping into the blockchain race. There is very interesting fact about Harmony, and that is it is not at all forked, which means everything that you see on the Harmony, every code that is being written on the Harmony, it has not been copied from any other blockchain. This can tell you how strong the technical side of Harmony OneCoin is. Next, I will talk about Harmony OneCoin. Harmony OneCoin is the native currency of Harmony blockchain. Just like you have Sol token for Solana blockchain, Harmony serves the same purpose. If you want to learn about Solana blockchain and its feature, you can click on the link above and watch that video. So Harmony serves three key purposes. Number one is network governance, number two is paying for the network fee, and number three is offering staking. Now all these features have been discussed in detail in my post which I shared about Harmony Coin. You can read that out in the description of the video. So Harmony One has a total supply of 13 billion tokens, and it was launched in an IEO on Binance, which is initial exchange offering. I will talk about IEO later in this video. Now, after covering what is Harmony OneCoin, next I will talk about how does Harmony blockchain work. So Harmony follows something called as EPOS consensus mechanism, which is effective proof of stake consensus mechanism that uses sharding. Now let me explain a little bit into sharding, what is sharding actually means. So as you can see in front of your screen, this is a block. Let's say this block is a big process which needs to be completed. Now in order to complete the process, and when you use sharding, you divide this process into sub-processes. Let's say in this case, I will divide this block into small blocks like sub-blocks, and those sub-blocks can individually execute itself and then complete the whole process. So this is something called as sharding. Now sharding is used by Harmony OneCoin to attain faster consensus that makes it able to confirm the block within 2 seconds. That is one of the fastest among any blockchain ever. It may also interest you that Harmony is the first sharding blockchain that is able to master staking. In order to make the network work, Harmony uses a set of 1000 nodes and divided into 4 shards, which means each shard contains a total of 250 nodes. Now any task is assigned randomly to any shards which are there in the system. Since there is no preference given to particular shards, this helps to make the network secure. Now this particular process is powered by something called as FPFT algorithm, which is faster Byzantine fault tolerance algorithm. Now if you want to learn about the complete process, the FPFT process, and how the shard cross communicate among themselves, you can click on the link in the description in which I have written each and every detail about how this blockchain works using sharding. Next, I will talk about a little bit into staking. So I will share the screen and tell you what all involves in staking, what is the eligibility criteria if you want to stake your coins on Harmony One blockchain. So here goes the list. Harmony provides a list of staking partners to help users stake coins on its network. The list includes Binance Exchange and BitMax as one of the staking partners among the complete list. Now to tell you about staking Harmony One coin, if you stake Harmony One coin, you can get an annual yield of 10%, which is an approximate number. It may vary with time. A user is required to stake a minimum of 100 tokens on this blockchain, and in order to become a validator needs a set of 10,001 tokens. And finally, the minimum PC requirement is 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM, which I think will increase as the network gets more popular. Now this covers the Harmony One staking. Next I will talk about Harmony One IEO, which is Initial Exchange Offering. So in the year May 2019, Harmony offered Harmony One coin in an IEO public sale. It offered a total of 1.5 billion Harmony One tokens at a price of $0.00317 US dollar. Now prior to this public sale round, Harmony also arranged a private sale round in which it sold tokens at a value of $0.0067 US dollar per token. Now this makes Harmony the only blockchain whose public sale is cheaper than its private sale. Now during the IEO, it offered the coins as ERC20 and BEP20 tokens. ERC20 means Ethereum based tokens and BEP20 means Binance based token. Any token that are created on Ethereum blockchain are called ERC20 token, and any token that are created on Binance Smart Chain is called as BEP20 token. Now Harmony has its own blockchain, and these coins are converted into HRC20 token, which are again Harmony tokens. Next I will talk about the benefits of Harmony One blockchain. So the number one benefit of Harmony One is a highly skilled team. As I said before, Harmony is not at all forked, which means the team built it from scratch by using their own brain and own code. Also, Harmony is the first sharding blockchain that mastered staking on its network. No other blockchain was able to master it before Harmony does it. That shows how skilled the Harmony One team is. The next benefit is interoperability. Now the Harmony One blockchain is on schedule and is about to launch its interoperability feature with the top blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, and many more. If they are able to do it on schedule, they will be among the strong contenders of interoperability. Third benefit is store of value. Harmony One coin is a real store of value. It has rose more than 20x in the year 2021, which makes it a very desirable coin to buy and hold for the long run. Now these are little bit into the benefits of Harmony One coin. Let me talk about drawbacks. As I always say, if there are benefits, there will be drawbacks, and every blockchain has one or another drawbacks. The number one drawback is its unclear vision. Harmony seems to do everything and able to focus on nothing. It wants to be interoperable, it wants to be secure, it wants to be fast, but there is no clear direction where the team is heading. There is no particular roadmap or milestone which they want to achieve. So this makes it quite unclear when it comes to project vision. The next drawback is definitely a low adoption rate. Harmony wasn't able to onboard much of the projects on its blockchain. Its ecosystem is still underdeveloped and need a lot of work. Now having said that, this is actually accompanied by a low or a poor PR activity. Harmony One has a head down and work approach, which worked very well on the technical side of the things. but on the marketing front, it failed to attract investors, and also it fails to bring more dApps or more developers which can create apps on its network. Unless they are able to market themselves properly, Harmony OneCoin has a limited scope. So these are few of the drawbacks and benefits. For detail, you can click on the link in the description and read about this post. And finally, I will cover the final part and your most favorite, and that is the price prediction of Harmony One token. As I said before, Harmony is a blockchain which is a turtle among the race of rabbits. There are projects which are leading ahead in the race, but because of Harmony's consistent effort, a head down and work approach has helped the coin to be very strong on the technical front. Although it's not doing much better on the marketing part, but that's not an area to worry about, since Harmony One can anytime onboard a big project and change the whole game. At the time of creating the video, it was ranging in the range of 30 to 40 cents, and I won't be surprised that given the project's strength and the scope of an adoption rate and the ability to onboard big projects can really turn around the price prediction of Harmony OneCoin, and that may end up Harmony being valued in the range of $1 to $2 in the coming bull run. I am very optimistic about this project. Once the project is able to onboard big ticket clients, there is no stopping for the growth of Harmony One token. Until then, I reserve my prediction. Now you tell me, what are your prediction of Harmony OneCoin if you are invested in this token? So that's my review on the Harmony One token. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do like and share the video and watch the video which I shared on the screen. I see you in the next video with the new content and the new coin to review. So do subscribe. Till then, take care and have a good day.